Everyone loses money this way. Emotional trading. Most people lose money in investing for one simple reason. They trade based on emotions. If you fix this one thing, your results will change. Most people focus on one question: how do I win in investing? But the real answer is the opposite. Winners don't focus on winning. They focus on avoiding mistakes. And the biggest mistake is emotional trading. Part 1: Common mistake. Here's what usually happens. When the price goes up, people think it's going higher, so they buy. When the price drops, they think this is scary, so they sell. But think about it. When prices are going up, it's already expensive. When prices are going down, it's cheaper. So what are they doing? They're buying high and selling low. And most people don't even realize it. Part 2: Why this happens. Why does this happen? Because humans want comfort. When everyone is buying, it feels safe. When prices drop, it feels dangerous. But investing works the opposite way. When it feels safe, you're usually late. When it feels scary, you should think carefully. Without this mindset, you will always be on the losing side. Part 3: What winners do. So what do successful investors do? They don't follow emotions. They follow rules. Simple rules like buy at a specific price, sell under specific conditions. They decide before they act. That's why they stay consistent. That's why they don't panic. Part 4: What you should do. So what can you do? 3 simple things. 1. Decide your exit before you enter. 2. When you feel emotional, don't act immediately. 3. Write down your decisions. These 3 alone will reduce emotional trading a lot. Conclusion. Let me repeat this. Most people lose because they trade emotionally. If you stop doing this, your results will improve. You don't need special knowledge. You just need to stop making the same mistakes. On this channel, we share practical strategies based on how wealthy investors think. If you want to invest smarter, subscribe and stay ahead.